like the sun. I know it is a blessing. So when the evening comes, I lift up my eyes to this. I'm blessed, oh man. With my two hands in the air as far as I can.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing something real quick, real simple. If you're pressed for time and you don't know what to do with your hair, this style will be perfect for you. My hair was in a low puff the day before and I just kept the same curls, and now I'm doing a sleek high ponytail. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So for this style, you're gonna need a spray bottle with water, gel of your choice, edge control of your choice, a brush, a toothbrush or rat tail comb, and a shoelace or scrunchie. So like I said before, the style that I'm doing is on old hair, so to speak. Not really. So I'm just trying to stretch out the ends of my hair. And now I'm going to spray my hair with some water. Well, spray the perimeter of my hair with water and add some gel. And I didn't use that much gel for this style. I mean, you can if you want to, but I don't necessarily see the need for it. If you have trouble with slicking down your hair, there are ways around it instead of like slapping on a whole bunch of gel on your hair. The only time I say do that is when your hair is dirty and it's time for a wash. My hair is very much clean in this video. But anywho, now I'm just taking the brush to slick down the parts of my hair that I put the gel on. And then I'm stretching the ends of my hair some more, just so it won't look so small in the ponytail. And now I am just taking some edge control and I'm just gonna slick down my edges. Initially when I did this, it was to do my edges, but when I brushed everything, it didn't work out though. It didn't look good. So in another clip, I'll be doing my edges. So just know that I added a little extra edge control this time. Now I'm gonna take my shoelace and tie my hair. And I don't know if anybody else has this problem, but what you see me doing here is just making sure that none of my hair gets tied up in the shoelace and that all of it is out, like the puff part of it is out. So now I am brushing out my little baby hairs or whatever to do my edges. Oh, just kidding. I noticed that the shoelace kind of messed up the slickness of my hair, so I just took some more gel, just a little tiny bit, to be able to slick the rest of that back. And now, oh, just kidding, I did it in the back too. And then after that, I'm gonna do my edges. this side is obviously not the best side. Does anybody else have that problem? Like one side of your head's edges lay perfectly and the other side doesn't? I mean, I'm still learning how to do edges, so that could be it too, but my God, like, what is that? The right side of my head? It just gives me so much problems. And maybe because I'm a lefty too. That could be it. I know that happens often with like brows and stuff, but I didn't think it would happen with edges. Like, that doesn't make sense. But anywho, right there I just added some Gorilla Snot, which is what I do to hold my hair, my edges, because they will curl up, which they did anyway because I went out in the heat. But yeah, I don't know, just a habit. I always do that. So after I finish slicking my edges down to the best of my ability, I take a scarf and I tie my hair. Well, it's really for the edges. And I just leave that on for about 5 minutes or so. And then once that has gone by, I just take it off. And yeah, that's it. I was actually very, very, very proud of myself and the way that I did this. Very proud. This style can be done in 5 minutes. However, the edges really took a long time. A real long time. It was literally nothing else but the edges. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and follow me on my social medias. They'll be linked down below. See you guys in my next video.